Idinadamay ngayon ng asawa ni Congressman Albi Benitez na si Mrs. Nikki Benitez ang pangalan ni Ivana Alawi sa hiwalayan nilang mag-asawa. Ayon kasi kay Mrs. Benitez, di umano'y sa petisyon na ipinasa ni Congressman Benitez upang mapawalang bisa ang kanilang kasal na kasaad na bukod sa pagkakaroon nito ng dalawang anak sa ibang babae, ay umano'y may relasyon din ito sa actress-vlogger na si Ivana Alawi. Dahil dito napagdesisyonan ni Mrs. Benitez na sampahan ng reklamong vowsy ang kanyang asawa. Anya, hindi umano makatarungan ang ginawang panloloko ng kanyang mister sa pagiging mag-asawa nila. I hereby accuse Alfredo Albi Bentog Benitez, also known as Alfredo Abelardo Bantog Benitez, for violation of sections of Republic Act 1962, or otherwise known as Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. I was first introduced to the respondent in 1992 by my friend and now former brother-in-law, Manny Kabili, at the Euphoria Disco in Makati City. A few months later, the respondent asked me out, and that marked the beginning of our dating relationship. At that time, I was employed with Continental Airlines. There exists, no doubt, the occurrence of marital infidelity, whether once or having occurred several times. Under the law, the husband and wife are obliged to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support. Engaging in an intimate act with an individual other than one's lawful spouse, particularly when done voluntarily, so constitutes a violation of both legal and moral obligation and inevitably inflicts harm, if not irreparable damage, upon the emotional well-being of the offended party. As a legal wife, I have every right to expect fidelity and devotion commensurate with the commitment she herself upheld. While I heard rumors of respondents' infidelity early on, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by the respondent, and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered two illegitimate children and his implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity, I felt utterly betrayed by the respondent and was devastated beyond compare after finally discovering and confirming the truth in respondent's lies. Any information concerning infidelity between married couple undeniably causes, or at the very least is likely to cause, mental or emotional anguish. To assert otherwise would be permit one's spouse to engage. Samantala, bumuwelta naman dito ang social media personality, businessman na si Sian Gasa. Ayon kay Gasa ay paano umanong si Ivana ang idinidiin ni Mrs. Benitez gayong matagal na umano silang hiwalay ni Albi Benitez. Ilang taon pa lamang umano noon si Ivana, nagkataon lamang daw na si Ivana ang kasalukuyang girlfriend ni Albi Benitez. Dagdag pa ni Gasa, bakit umano si Ivana ang pinag-iinitan ni Mrs. Benitez gayong ang daming babae na umanong dumaan sa asawa nito at ngayon lang siya nag-react. Ang hindi ko maunawaan ay kung bakit si Ivana po ang pinagdidiinan mo, madam. 21 years na po kayong hiwalay. Almost 15 billion pesos worth of properties na po ang nilagay sa pangalan mo. Ano pa po ba ang gusto mo? Madam Benitez, hiwalay na po kayo ng mister nyo 2003 pa lang. Bakit po si Ivana ang dinadawit nyo? 6 years old pa lang po si Ivana nung naghiwalay kayo. Ang labo nyo po, sa totoo lang. Sinisira nyo pangalan at imahe ng tao. Ipagpalagay natin na totoong may relasyon sila. Bakit siya yung pag-iinitan mo napakaraming babaeng dumaan sa asawa mo for the last 21 years ha? Kalakip ng post ni Zian Gasa ay mga larawan ni Albi Benitez na kung saan may mga kasamang kilalang personalidad. Kabilang na ang aktres na si Yen Santos at Angelique Kang. Hindi naman tiyak kung may namagitan din ang mga ito kay Albi Benitez. Kung babalikan naman natin ang naging statement ni Ivana noong kasagsagan ng issue nila ni Congressman Benitez, mariin itong pinabulaanan na may relasyon sila ni Benitez. Anya, nakilala lamang niya si Congressman dahil sa naimbita ito sa Bacolod. Sinabi pa nitong may karelasyon umano siya noong negosyante at hindi politiko. There are posts and issue involving my name. I try to stay quiet at dumedma na lang dahil sa paniniwala ko na hindi ako dapat magsalita lalo kapag alam ko na wala akong ginagawang masama. But because of the false accusations and hurtful words that are being thrown to my mom and Mona, kinailangan ko nang linawin ang mga bagay. This will be the first and last time na magsasalita ako tungkol dito. Hindi po ako ang nasasabing girlfriend ni Mayor Albi Benitez. I met him when I had work in Bacolod. He was very accommodating and friendly. At hindi lang siya ang politikong nakilala ko at naging kaibigan. I am currently seeing someone who makes me happy. All I can say is that he is a respectable businessman and not politician. Sana this helps clear my name and clarify all rumors. Sa statement naman noon ni Albi Benitez, nilinaw nito ang mga video na kumalat kung saan mapapanood na magkasama sila ni Ivana Alawi at ang pamilya ng aktres. Ayon kay Congressman ay nagkataon lamang na pareho silang andon sa airport at iisa lang ang bansang kanilang pupuntahan. Dagdag pa noon ni Congressman Benitez ay trabaho umano ang ipinunta niya sa Tokyo. Humingi din ito ng paumanhin sa pamilya ng aktres, vlogger dahil sa nadadamay ang kanilang pangalan sa issue. I am fully aware of the video footage that has been circulating which unfortunately does not accurately explain why I was in Tokyo. I went there on a business trip as stated in my official travel order. Speculations involving Miss Ivana Alawi are untrue and only serve to put malice into what was clearly a chance encounter. I apologize to Miss Alawi and her family who have been unfairly dragged into issues concerning my private life. There is no truth to any and all the rumors spreading and I am setting the record straight to avoid further hurt and damage to them.